Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a genuine unboxing. This is the Enail Couture mystery box, and I believe this is the largest box that they have. I wanted a smaller box, but they didn't have any available, so we got this one. This box was $1.99, but I did find a coupon code, and I will link a couple of codes down below if you're interested in getting this box. I genuinely don't know what's in here. This box has not been opened. I did take the shipping label off because my address was on there. But other than that, we're going to find out together what's in this box. Thank you all so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.
Gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Never try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say.
So I'm just going to jump right into opening this box, and I will just name the items as I pull them out, so that you know what was inside this box. So the first item that I pulled out of the box was an apron. I wasn't sure what it was at first, but afterward I realized that's what it was. This is like a rhinestone organizer or sorter, I guess. You can use the actual heart itself and the lid to separate your rhinestones for placement. Next is a bottle of silver cat eye gel polish. Again, as I say at the end of this video, I do not like the packaging. I really don't. This is a tip storage container that I will be using. Next is, these were some sort of wipes, I guess, to clean off your brushes, maybe your acrylic brushes or your art brushes. We got some nail tips here. There were quite a few packages of nail tips, different shapes. Some I will use, some I will not. These were some nail stickers. I believe later on there's another package of nail stickers, the same ones. Here is some acrylic powder. This is like a red glitter Christmas acrylic powder that I will not be using. And some more acrylic powder that I also will not be using. I think this was another cat eye polish. Yeah, this was like a really pretty shimmery polish, gel polish. Some assorted nail art decoration type stuff. So I'm not quite sure what the bubblegum gel is. I believe that it is for full cover tip adhesion. Again, I'm not really sure. I'll have to do some research, but I believe that's what that is for. This is a storage container for maybe your dotting tools and your brushes. This was a really pretty silver glitter liner gel. Really excited about using this. Super pretty, very, very sparkly. Y'all know I love some sparkles. This was something else. I don't remember. He doesn't name things regularly. Like, what the hell is Happy Gel? I don't know what that is. Anyway, this was some gel polish. Really pretty. Very pretty shade of blue. Fun gel. What is fun? Come on now. Some more nail stickers. Let's see what else we got. Another storage container. This one is a metal container. It has a little tray inside. Yeah. Let's see what else we got. Some more assorted nail art decorations. I think those were some rhinestones. This was a purple shimmery gel polish. I thought this was really pretty too. I'll definitely be using that. What is that? Some more acrylic powder. Biscuit pink. What the hell? Let's see, we got some more full cover nail tips. There were really a lot of nail tips in this box. Not mad at that. There were full cover and some half cover tips. Some nail cleaning brushes. I believe there were 2 of those. More nail tips. And those are full cover. some more nail art decorations. I believe, yeah, that was the same as the other ones that I pulled out earlier. More stickers. So there are some, listen, I don't know what these little tubes are, and unfortunately I did not research them, so sorry. Some nail files, some more gel polish. This was a really pretty orangey, peachy kind of color. Oh, look, more acrylic powder. Love that. No. Neon orange acrylic powder. And then there was some neon pink acrylic powder. This box would be really good for someone who uses acrylic. These were some alcohol inks. There were 6 of them, I believe, 6 different colors. Super cute. I love the little bag, but yeah, so alcohol inks. Another tube of something, don't know. These were, I think these were gel polishes. Yeah, super pretty cat eye gel polishes. I will be using these. This one had a really nice color shift. This little liner gel, lavender, really pretty color, very pigmented, a deeper purple. Now this brush, this actually happens with a lot of my liner brushes, just by the way, you know, they're in the bottle. If you dip them in boiling hot water, it will bring the shape back. Just clean the brush and dip it in super hot water. I'm not sure what these are, but I think they're glitters. These are more alcohol inks. I want to say there were 6 of them, I believe. What else? We got some more nail tips, full cover, and then another bottle of alcohol ink. This is a bottle of gel polish. It's like a silvery, pinky purple, shimmery type polish. Another nail cleaning brush. This is some more bubblegum gel, and again, I believe it's for the full cover extensions. One is a lot smaller than the other, obviously. I think one is 15 milliliters and one was 30. Here are some nail forms that I will not be using. Some more bubblegum gel. More nail art decorations. And I think this, okay, so this was the individual, like the single finger flash curing lamp, which is kind of cute. Again, I'm not a fan of the packaging. These were some full cover tips, like a bright pink, and some more gel polish. Here is another purple liner. Yeah, there's some duplicates in this box. Here's another tube of that mystery stuff. I don't know what it is. Some more nail tips. And some more acrylic powder. Lots more acrylic powder. There was a ton of acrylic powder in this box, like a lot. Again, for someone who uses acrylic, this would have been an amazing box for them. As someone who does not use acrylic powder, yeah, not so much. These are some glitters that I'm excited about because I like to do encapsulating, and I think those would be really cute. These were some gel polishes. And I want to say on the side of these bottles, there were some dates, and I thought that they were expired, but I did reach out to them and they confirmed that that was the manufacturing date, not the expiration date. Here are some wipes for cleanup and another package of brush wipes. Not quite sure why they gave me so many brush wipes in different shapes and sizes, but you know, whatever. Let's see what this is. These are some more full cover tips, and I believe these were the half cover tips. There were some half cover tips in here as well. Yeah, so a couple of bags of half cover tips, the natural and the clear. More acrylic powder. there was a cute little armrest in here. It's kind of soft and, you know, well padded. Again, it's that amazing pink color that he loves so much. A small bottle of liquid monomer. And I don't know if this is quick setting or if slow drying, or I have no idea. More acrylic powder. I think these were some potted gel glitters. I think I looked this up on the website. I think they were glitters, yeah. What is this? Oh, these were, I think this was like a base coat, a top coat, and something else. It says Wonder on the bottle. I don't know why he can't just name the stuff what it is. Like, I don't know what Wonder Gel is. I don't know if it's no wipe top coat or wipe top coat, or I have no clue. Look at this ridiculous bottle. Like, come on. You can't just put a regular top on there. Anyway, this is a glass dapping dish for your, I guess, your liquid monomer. There's some duplicates of some more like glitter type confetti, and this UV LED lamp. I was trying to see the wattage on the box, but I didn't see it. Maybe I just looked past it. But oh wait, damn. Okay, it does say, I just missed it. Another storage box. Here are a couple of brushes. I believe one was an ombre feathering brush, which is that one. And the other one, I want to say, was an acrylic brush. Yeah. Yep, an acrylic brush. I don't know the sizes or the numbers of brushes, but that was an acrylic brush. Here's a single finger UV LED lamp, I guess, if you're putting on your own full cover extensions. I kept this box, but I haven't opened it yet just because I am curious. It says nail remover, so I just wanted to check that out. Another acrylic brush. And this is a, I guess, sticker book or a stencil book if you want to organize and put your stickers in there. Some silicone tools. This is a cuticle pusher. Wooden cuticle pusher. I wasn't sure what this was at first, but then I flipped over the little card and it is for swatches. Now tell me that does not remind you of like the Dollar Tree. Okay, anyway, that's the end. Thank you all so much. I'll give you my final thoughts. So that was the Enail Couture mystery box, their $1.99 box. And let me start by saying I am not and have not been a huge Enail Couture fan other than their full cover tips. I love the range of shapes and lengths. I have nothing bad to say about their full cover tips. I hate the packaging. I've always hated the packaging. I hate the pink. Pink used to be my favorite color, but I cannot stand his packaging. It gives very much cartoony. It gives gimmicky. I'm just not a fan of the packaging. As far as the box, on a scale of 1 to 5, like 5 being the most satisfied and 1 being the least, I would give this box about a 3. Just because there's so much acrylic related stuff in the box and I don't use acrylic at all. So I won't be keeping those items, but there's a lot of gel polish. There's a lot of alcohol inks. There's a lot of stuff that, you know, I can use and will use. Some of the full cover tips I'll be keeping. But yeah, I don't think I would purchase a mystery box again unless it was like, you know, an acrylic box or a full cover extension box or a nail art box. And they may have those on the site. I just didn't see them. And yeah, so this is what I got. And, you know, it is what it is. I am okay enough to not complain too much, but I probably would not purchase another mystery box again. And yeah, I mean, I don't really know what else to say. It's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of duplicates in the box, and you know, it is what it is. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I have enough stuff that I'm content with my purchase. And like I said, the box was $1.99. I did find a coupon code that took it down to, I want to say, $139. And there's definitely more, way more than $139 worth of stuff in the box. I will give you that, or give him that. There's way more than $139 or even $199 worth of stuff in the box. However, a lot of the stuff in the box I cannot use. So that's the only real complaint I have, other than I freaking hate the packaging. I hate it. I hate it so much. Like, down to my core, I hate this packaging. And, you know, but that's neither here nor there. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I appreciate you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, tell a friend to tell a friend. We're growing over here, and I appreciate you all so much. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.